Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shubhangi. Today I am going to make this beautiful earring set. So let's get started. I am a big fan of hand painted earrings. I have always loved the handicrafts and it gives a special touch to your beauty. You can wear it with any outfit, whether it's casual wear or you can wear it in your festival or in the parties. So I always make these earrings whenever I buy an outfit for me. Things that you need to make these are toothpick, earbud and this pencil. You also need a plier to make this. It's used to bend or to twist the wire, a cutter for cutting the wire, 2-inch MDF board, this U-shaped loop, small ring and this wire that I'll use it later. So friends, I'm starting with this central white dot using this earbud. I'm not using any stencil here, I'm just making the dot with approximation. Then I am making two dots, one above and one below with this orange color. I am dotting on both the earrings simultaneously. And then I am making two other dots, crossing the previous dots using this brown color. And then I am making alternate orange and brown dots. Friends, now I am making some orange dots between orange and brown dots of previous row. I am leaving some blank space between these dots. Now continuing same with the other earring too. So friends, now I am filling the leftover space with brown color. So basically the funda is to just make alternate brown and orange dots. Now I am proceeding with the third row. I am making orange bigger dots using the other end of the toothpick, and I am leaving the small space for the brown color dots. Now filling this space with brown color dots using the other end of the toothpick. So friends, now I am making the fourth row using the orange color with the other end of the toothpick, making slightly bigger dots between the previous brown and orange dots, leaving the space between for the brown color dot. Now continue filling the brown color bigger dots between the orange dots. So as now you can see how the design is turning into the spiral shape. You can try using different colors as well, but I have used just two colors here so that you can clearly see how the spiral shape looks like, and this is pretty easy design for the beginners to start. So friends, for the last row I wanted to make slightly bigger dots, so I'm using this earbud for it. I'm leaving a small space between the periphery and the dot so that I'll make some tiny dots there. So if you want to make the star shape spiral design, you can just stop here, or if you want to just make a circular complete mandala, you can just fill the space with the brown color. You can do either. So friends, now I am using white color and a toothpick, and I am walking the dots from top to bottom. Now I'm doing with the second earring as well. Now I'm filling up the leftover space between the orange and the brown dots of the second last row. So friends, I'm almost done with the design. Now I'm doing some top dots. So over the orange bigger peripheral dots, I'm doing the top dot with brown color on orange dots, and then I'm doing the top dot with orange color over the brown dots. I'm using the back side of the toothpick. So friends, I'm done with the earring now. You can paint the back side of it with the black color, or you can make the design on the other side as well. Friends, now I'll fix the hook with the earring. So I'm making this small ring with this wire, as I don't have a suitable 2 to 3 mm ring, so I'm making it with this wire that I have. I will cut the extra part with the cutter, and then I'll attach the hook with this ring, and then I'll attach it with the earring. You have to paint the back side of it before attaching it with the hook. Friends, I am done with this earring. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this artwork, and please give your feedback for any improvement that you think is required to make a good video. And please give a thumbs up if you like my video, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye bye.